We're here with beautiful Beck today, and how did you feel before you came today, Beck?
I was a bit nervous, which I knew was natural, but yeah, definitely going into the unknown.
Yeah, beautiful. And how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling really happy. This really nice sense of calm tiredness, because just releasing lots of energy and just getting to know everybody's stories and all the other girls was really special.
Yeah, beautiful. And what was your favourite part of the day?
Jumping in the ocean was amazing, but just having that one-on-one time with the smaller groups to really hear everybody's personal stories and watch people open up, and it was pretty special.
Yeah, beautiful. And if you knew someone that was like considering coming here but not sure and they were on the fence, what would you say to them?
Don't listen to that self-doubt. Don't listen to that little voice that's saying no, you can't do it, or it'll be scary. Just do it. Just put on your big girl pants and get here. As soon as you step in the door, you'll just feel welcomed and so much love, and walk away feeling a better person.
Beautiful. Thank you, honey. It's been such an honour having you.
Thanks.